Hello guys! In this video, I'll show you how to solve the failed to connect to your instance error establishing SSH connection problem in AWS EC2. Let's get started. First, I'll try to connect to an EC2 instance. Unfortunately, we're getting the failed to connect to your instance error. To fix this, go to your EC2 dashboard. Click on Instances, and then open the security settings for the instance. Next, click on the security group associated with the instance. Go to the inbound rules and click Edit Inbound Rules. Now you need to allow the SSH port, port 22, and HTTP port, port 80. With IPv4 set to anywhere, 0.0.0.0 divided by 0. Once done, click Save Rules. Now try connecting to your instance again. Hooray! It works perfectly now. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials.